Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with TikTok Studio for editor exports. Beginner. Open your TikTok Studio application. Ensure you have an account set up on TikTok. Launch the TikTok Studio software. Once it's open, locate the login prompt. Enter your TikTok account credentials. Click the login button to access your account. Wait for the authentication process to complete. Look for a confirmation message or prompt indicating successful login. Navigate to the editor interface within TikTok Studio. Prepare your video project or open an existing one. Once your project is ready, head to the export options. Choose the appropriate export settings for your video. Confirm that your linked TikTok account details are correct. Select the export button to initiate the export process. Monitor the progress bar as the video exports. After completion, check for any error messages. If your export is successful, it will show a confirmation notification. You can now access the exported video directly from your TikTok account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.